ka jingpoi ki Nongthep board na ki polling station ba fair jong ki artli ki Lok Sabha parliamentary constituency ka jala Meghalaya kata na Shillong ba Tura ka lapoi sa ka sanpho 8% ha ka por sibaje no Mynsngi ha padeng ka jingyai be ji yaranti na Tura constituency ki don saungut ki ba aireng ha ka ni election ba kanthop ya ka angatha ki sangma ka NPP u saleng e sangma ka Congress u Zenit sangma ka All India Trinamool Congress but 11 CH marak uba aireng kumukertong simen ka angatha ki sangma kertong ka National People's Party NPP kadang penkre ban job hakasian balai kum ka MP na Tura kalawan ban thep ya ka vote jongka Hawal Bagre polling station ka bahap South Tura Legislative Assembly constituency u saleng sangma kertong ka Congress u badairu amelian na Gambegre ulawan ban thep ya ka vote jongu Hadalugre LP school ka angatha kala job ning kong house nam arja khandai bat ka baar house nam arja ka khandai hakani ka step u national president ka NPP Konrad ke sangma u badairu mitrang ba ka jala Meghalaya ulalej ban thep ya ka vote hakani ka polling station ka ba ka angatha ru kala thep ya ka vote chongka.
Generally, in the MP Lok Sabha elections, we don't see a very large turnout in comparison to the assembly elections. And this morning, seeing this large number of people coming out to vote is a very positive sign, and I would encourage our people to exercise this franchise. And yes, it's a wonderful sign, and I'm really grateful to the people for coming out and voting in large numbers.
What are the core issues that affect the locals in voting actually in Meghalaya?
I think the core issues obviously is development, it's peace, and when I say development, it also includes employment. People want good infrastructure, they want their governments to provide good infrastructure, they want governments to provide job opportunities, and I feel that this government has, fulfilled and delivered on these promises. This is a trend that has been happening for a very long time. In general, you always find that women are way more, aware, and they take a lot of effort to come out and vote. And I'm really grateful that women take this as a very serious right and a duty to come out and vote.
I've casted. I feel good actually. I really feel good. And then since everyone is voting, I myself has turned out to vote, not for myself but for the people of Kyrwoh. Since we have already made people aware about their rights and then the dominance by the other side, so if the people can come out, from their slumber about how it has been doing for a very very long time, and moreover we try to make the best for the people by making them aware of what is happening around, and then about the developmental things also, and about the situation that is going on within India. Yeah, I think so. I think there people enthusiastic right now coming to vote is maybe they really need a change. Maybe that's the reason why people are coming out to vote right now. And then moreover, I didn't see much voters turning out especially for this Lok Sabha election, but this times it seems like people are more eager and then enthusiastic for the voting.
I just finished casting my vote. I was in the line for approximately more than 2 hours in fact, and you can see that there are many more people still there behind me, and it's good to see the turnout. It's a healthy democratic practice. And I once again urge everybody to kindly come out and do cast their vote in this election.
Are you optimistic about the election results for the People's Party?
Absolutely. We are very, very optimistic. But as I said, we are still in the election. I mean, of course, we're 100 meters away, but still we are in the election area. So I would not like to comment too much on it. Thank you.
National Parliamentary Constituency Part ki don reungut ki kertong bakan thup uba Vincent H. Pala ka Congress uba Robert June Khajarin nak RDA ka Kanhun Yatre lang ka UDP bat HSPDP u Dr. Ricky Ejisengkon ka VPP ka Dr. Mezil Amprin Lingdo ka NPP u Professor Lakhon Kama bat uba Peter Chalam kum ki kertong simen.
Habatin pej bahagi kishap ka sharp plus F
The plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batte ye kamet Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya